likely heard the phrase brain food, but did you know without proper nutrition, your grey matter won't work as well? Let's bring in brain expert Dr. Jenny Brockes now. Dr. Brockes, the physical health of our brains can make a big impact on how we function.
It sure can, Jerry, and that's why it's so important that we choose the healthier options when it comes to our food choices.
So what foods do truly nourish our brains, Doctor?
Well, all the studies have shown that if we follow the Mediterranean style of diet, that makes the biggest difference, because this includes essentially leafy greens. So if we start with, instead of having meat and 2 veg, if we fill our plate or half our plate with vegetables first, with the leafy greens, and then some other brightly coloured vegetables, and then add some lean protein, that's a good start. It's about adding the deeply coloured berries and fruits, especially things like blueberries. It's about having plenty of legumes, the beans and things like that, because that provides us with fibre, which is really good for our gut health as well as our brains. It's about having some seeds and some nuts, some good quality olive oil, extra virgin if possible, and of course let's not forget to drink plenty of good old water as well.
All sounds like delicious food. That shouldn't be too hard.
No.
But what foods are dangerous to our brain health on the other side of things?
Well, that's the thing. The problem is we've become used to eating a diet which tends to be over high in salt, the wrong types of fats and sugar. We need the right fats for best brain health and function, and it makes a big difference to our mood. And the wrong fats tend to be found in the fast foods and the processed foods. And the same goes for sugar. And it's also been shown that while sugar that we find in our fruits and vegetables is fine, it's the refined sugar that's added to processed foods and those sweetened drinks that actually can lower our mood and actually put us at risk of depression. So it's about keeping away from the fast food and the processed stuff, and wherever possible choosing to eat the fresh plant-based foods instead.
Fantastic advice, Dr. Jenny Brockes. Thank you for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you.